Visiting an upstairs Menards lighting showroom. This is going to be very quick. This place is pretty cool because you have all kinds of fans in here. And this is the second level of this place. There's a cram book. I've seen those in person before. And then there's the 1886, which those are pretty cool. And then some other fans. And then the Sea Air, which is a really cool fan. And it's pretty much everything on the second story. And the indigo blue one is really cool. I like that. I like the finish, the option of that. Anyways, this is the Ginger Fan Man 92 here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day. Take care.